designing is one thing, and then so this is going to present some challenges here. Excellent. Wow. All the dust, all the cobwebs. This part of the dream is over, and now the journey begins. And he was the original owner?
The original owner. Bought in Germany, had it shipped over here. He was a captain. Yeah.
Really? Oh, okay.
Six carpet convertible top tonight, but a few major components.
It's gonna head off for its new home.
This is Aaron Weiss. This is my 1929 Auburn Boattail Speedster. It's a 8-cylinder, 120 horsepower car built between 1928 and 1930.
29. That family was worth over $250 million during the Great Depression.
What were they?
I have no idea what they do, but they gave this to their son for their his high school graduation.
Sir,
Auburn.
8-cylinder or 12? What beautiful cars, though, huh? Not shabby.
Definitely not Chevy. And then you have the Bugatti T57C Stelvio.
So it's supercharged.
Supercharged.
1906 Adams Farwell. The one and only known to exist, Adams Farwell. Built automobiles from 1899 to about 1913. They built 9 different models. Well, this is a 5-cylinder rotary, where it's an air-cooled engine.
We're here at the Desert Classic with Chuck Swimmer. And Chuck, you've got a 1931 Chrysler Imperial here?
Right, it's a CG Roadster. Interesting, this was the first year of the Imperial Roadster. And the wheelbase on this car is 145 inches.
The selection of cars was beyond belief. GT40s, Miller race cars, 22 of them. 50th anniversary of the 911, 60th anniversary of the Corvette, 50th anniversary of the Corvette Stingray. I'll tell you, it went on and on. Best of show was a beautiful S.J. Duesenberg and one of the Le Mans Gulf GT40s. Very fitting. This show was always so great. Here we are at the Dana Point Concours d'Elegance, and it's being held at the St. Regis Resort and Hotel. And we hope you enjoy the show.
Beautiful. Oh my God.
We're here with Mr. Jack Nethercutt and what is clearly one of the stars of this show.
Well, it's a Type 51 Bugatti. It was 1931. It was a Formula One car, so it's a one of a kind. Underneath that pretty shell is still a Formula One race car, and it still goes pretty quick. So it's still a race car underneath that pretty.